Morning, sir.
Morning. Yesterday I forgot to get my phone in normal mode. It was in silent mode.
Mm,
You rang 2 times.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Previously we did so many problems in geometry, that is straight lines.
Yes, sir.
It's about slope and equations of line and image and concurrency. Okay.
Yes.
Now let's go forward. It's about circles. Let's have a brief discussion on circles.
Yes.
What is what's your definition for a circle?
A shape that doesn't have an end
If
point.
you ask, if we ask an elementary school child, what do you what do you say about a circle? They would say
A shape that doesn't have an end point and a starting point.
yes. It looks like sorry. The shape which looks like a full moon. A shape which looks like a full moon. This is basic idea.
Yes, sir.
Next, if we go further, next, it is drawn by high school student by using compass. One end of the compass is fixed and another end is fixed with a pencil and
So,
drawn like this.
yes.
The tap chair says every point on it, every point on it have same distance from that fixed point. This is called, that fixed point is called center, and this is called perimeter or circumference.
Yes.
And now our definition is the geometrical definition, coordinate geometrical definition is the locus. Locus is nothing but the property of the points. In other words, we
Yes.
can say the property of the points.
Yes.
Mathematical term for it is the locus. The locus of the points having equal distance from a fixed point. The locus of the points, the locus of the points are locus of a point. The
Yes.
locus of a point having equal distance from a fixed point
Yes.
is called center,
Yes.
and that fixed point is called sorry, the locus of a point having equal distance from a fixed point is called a circle.
Yes, sir.
That fixed point is called center.
Yes, sir.
We did a few sums from the concept locus. In that case,
Yes.
we took a point, variable point, as x comma y.
Yes, sir.
Is p of x comma y. In high school standards, center is denoted by O, the letter O. The letter O is used to denote center in school standards, in school.
Yes, sir.
Next level, center C is used to denote center generally.
Yes. Yes.
Capital C is used to denote center, right?
Yes, sir.
As we discussed the locus, the definition of a circle, the
Yes.
distance is fixed. The distance is fixed. Let that distance be r, small r. Generally, small r is used to denote the radius of a circle. But
Yes.
in different cases, especially in trigonometry, R1, R2, R3, R1, R2, R3, and R are also used to denote radii. That means radii of circles.
Yes.
How it is pronounced? Is it radii? It is plural of radius.
Yes, sir. Ready.
These are the
Ready.
in different contexts. Radii is used to. These letters are used to denote radii. And
Yes.
in some cases, capital letter is used to denote a big circle. For example, if you take a triangle, this is called circumcircle of a triangle. Radius of
Yes.
triangle is used, radius of this circle is denoted by capital, but those are different contexts, especially in trigonometry. In trigonometry, these kind of letters are used to denote radii.
Yes.
Particularly coordinate geometry, mostly small r is used. Small r is used, or if for more than one circles, we use R1 and R2, right?
Yes.
That means in trigonometry, uh, small r is used to denote in circle. This is in circle. Small r. And name of the circle is in circle. Name of the circle is in circle.
Yes.
This circle is called in circle.
Yes, sir.
And now the circle touching the three sides of the triangle. The three sides means one side is AB. The side AB is being touched by the circle at here.
Yes.
Side AB means it is not, AB is a line segment, but AB is a straight line. If we extend AB, it is a straight line. See, this circle touches all the three sides. All the three sides of the triangle.
Yes, sir.
Side AB is being touched here. Side BC is the circle touches side BC here, and the circle touches side AC. This is called X circle.
Yes.
This is called X circle. So we are discussing various kinds of circles. Radius of this X circle is denoted by small r1.
Yes, sir.
It is smaller. In the same way, we can draw X circle opposite to vertex B. Radius of that circle is R2, and the radius of X circle opposite to the vertex C is R3. Okay, these are the different kinds of circles. Okay, but in this context, in coordinate geometry, it is a plane geometry. You know the difference between two geometries, plane geometry and coordinate geometry. The geometry we learned in elementary classes. Did you learn geometry in elementary class also? It's just
Yeah.
showing the shapes and ask.
I didn't
Identify triangles, circles. Okay. So the learning of geometry started there. All the geometry is called plane geometry. But once we started to draw shapes on graph or lines or points, this is called coordinate geometry.
Yes.
Because this geometry is related by coordinates, x coordinate and y coordinate, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now in coordinate geometry, smaller is used to denote a circle, and here R1 means, here R1 means radius of x circle opposite to the vertex A. But in coordinate geometry system, if we use R1 and R2, that means it indicates two circles. Those two circles need not be in circle and x circle like this. So if we have two circles in same question, in same problem, if we have two questions, these radii are denoted by small r1 and small r2.
Yes.
This is small r1, this is small r2. Let's go further. See, now, as we discussed, the circle is the locus of points having same distance from a fixed point. That fixed point is called center. Let the center be h comma k. C. And p of x comma y be any variable point. It is CP, the distance from point C to a point, a variable point and circle, that is CP. It is called radius, right? Now let us formulate this circle.
Yes, sir.
As we discussed, the distance between from C to P is small r. CP is equal to small r. CP is equal to small r. CP means distance between the points P of x comma y and h comma k. You know the distance formula?
Root of x.
X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here x and y1 is h comma k and x2 y2 is x comma y. So the formula is x minus h whole square. That is from x2 minus x1 whole square. Next, y2 minus y1 whole square. That is y minus y1 whole, y minus k whole square. Is equal to r. Now squaring on both sides. It is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. By squaring on both sides, it is r square. So it is basic and standard formula of a circle. It's a basic formula. That formula is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square.
Yes.
Once you told me that you would have exam on Tuesday.
Yes, sir.
How did you write that exam?
Yeah, so it's good. I just wrote it. So.
Is there any chance for cheating?
Cheating, sir? No, sir. There's no chance.
Yeah, in India, almost everywhere we can see cheating. And
my juniors tried cheating by like clicking on the keypad and with the sound and stuff. They found that also. Sir.
Okay. And
yeah.
In examination time, so TV news channels show that cheating situations. There are some schools openly outers at windows and the balconies. Okay.
My class is combined of Koppel and Irving, so like two different branches of school. So when it's testing time, they both branches separate. So it's like 10 members from this side and 10 members from that side. So it's easier for the invigilator to check. us.
Okay.
So, yeah, it's difficult to copy, sir.
Right, that's good. But objective exam, in case of objective exams, the boards are highly strict, extremely strict. Even no jewelry is allowed. Even earrings or something. And watch is also not allowed. Full hands not allowed. Shoes, even shoes are not allowed. Only slippers. Extremely strict, and there are cases when media reports the exaggeration of the, that means the extremity of the rules. Even
Whereas the
yeah,
uniforms,
hands by boys are also not allowed. Shoes,
yeah,
slippers.
slippers.
When will you know that score, that exam score?
During the summer, sir.
Okay. See, the equation of a circle with center h comma k and radius r is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square.
Yes.
Let us use this formula. This formula is used to find the equation of a circle when center and radius is given. So
Yes.
it's very important to have center and radius to find the circle. These two
Yes.
elements must be needed.
Yes.
For example, question is like this: find the equation of a circle. Find the equation of a circle. Its center. I think your siblings are quarreling.
No, sir. He's talking to my mom.
Okay. With center, say some point. Any point?
2,4.
One. Tell again. 1,4.
Yes, sir.
And radius. What number?
Sir, 2, sir.
Yes, it is the question. How to solve this question?
X minus 1 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square equals 4.
That's good. X minus 1 whole square
Plus
minus
y
4 square
4 whole square equals 4.
equal to 2 square. Very good. Using a minus b whole square formula, it is x square
Minus
x into 1, that is 2x.
plus
B square means 1 square.
square
Now y minus 4 whole square is y square.
minus 8.
Y into 4, that is 8y.
Yes, sir.
Plus b square means 4 square. If we bring that plus 2 square to left hand side in our language, subtracting, that means adding minus 2 square on both sides, it will be 0. Because generally equations have 0 in right hand side.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let's finish this equation. Implies x square plus y square minus 2x,
X minus 8y
1 square 1, 4 square 4, minus
plus 4 equals 0.
can cancel plus 4 and minus 4.
Yes, sir. X square plus y square
X square plus y square minus 2x.
minus 8y plus 1.
It is the equation of the circle, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, another question. Reverse volta. Volta of this question is like this.
Find the center.
Center and radius. Find the center and radius of the circle x square plus
Y square minus 8y plus 1.
is equal to 0, right?
Yes.
How to solve this question? So we know the answer. What is the answer?
So 1,4 and radius is 2.
We should get center 1,4 and radius 2, right?
Yes.
How do you extract that center and radius from this equation? See, the given equation, rewrite the given equation and separate x terms and y terms. These are x terms, x square minus 2x.
Equation x square minus 2x
and
y.
y square minus 8y.
Yes, sir.
That is equal to minus 1, negative 1.
Yes, sir.
Now, using a minus b whole square formula, we are using the completing the square, completing the square. Completing the square method, that is x square minus 2x times 1.
Plus
We see a minus b whole square, incomplete a minus b whole square formula here.
yes.
A square minus 2ab, that is incomplete a minus b whole square formula. A square
Yes.
minus 2ab. It is incomplete a minus b whole square formula, right?
Yes.
A square minus 2ab, what is needed to complete a minus b whole square formula?
1, sir.
Actually, in the formula, it is b square is needed to complete a minus b whole square formula, right?
1 square, sir.
Yeah, here b means 1.
Yes, sir.
We need 1 square. That's why add 1 square on both sides. There is already minus 1. We need to add 1 square on both sides.
Yes.
Okay, it's completed. Next, it is y square minus 8y. That means y square minus 8y means 2 into y times 4.
Yes.
What is needed to complete a minus b whole square formula here?
4, sir.
Sorry. Not 4.
4 square.
Yeah, 4 square. 4 square is needed to complete a minus b whole square formula. That's why we add 4 square on both sides.
Yes, sir.
This part is a minus b whole square. That is x minus 1 whole square. Plus y minus 4 whole square is equal negative 1, positive 1,
4 square 16.
we did a mistake there. Radius 2, right? Sorry. It's 2 only.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. It is 8y. It is 8y. Y minus 4 whole square. Yeah, 8y. Plus 4 square. 1 square. See, it is 1 square 1, okay?
Yes, sir.
It is not 4 square 16.
Yes, sir.
It's not 4, right? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now it is 1 plus 16, 17, 17 minus 4, 13. Got it? It is 13
Yes.
plus 13. It will be minus 13. Yeah, completed. Minus 13
Plus 1 plus 16.
plus 16. Sorry. Yeah. Minus 13 plus 1 plus 16. That is
Minus 30 plus 1 minus 12. Minus 12 plus 16 is
4.
yes, sir. Sorry, 4.
Now the final statement, statement is x minus 1 whole square plus y minus
Y
4 square
4 whole square.
is equal to 2 square. 4 means 2 square, right?
Yes, sir.
Now it is exactly in this format. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, from that equation, from that standard equation,
The centers are 1,4 and the radius is 2.
is equal to 2 only. Since it is 2 square, radius is 2.
Yes, sir.
Circumference. But we can find we can solve the same sum in another and easy method. To learn that method, we have to extend the equation of a circle. What's the basic formula to find the equation of a circle? X minus h whole square
Whole square plus y minus k whole square
is equal to r square.
is equal to r square.
It is basic equation, right? Standard equation.
Yes.
That means its center is h comma k.
Yes.
Radius is small r.
Yes, sir.
Right? Now, let us expand this equation. That is x square using a minus b whole square formula
X square
minus
minus x 2x
plus h
plus square plus y square minus 2ky plus y square k square equals r square.
Bring that minus r square to left hand side. It is minus r square is equal to 0, right?
Yes, sir.
We rewrite the equation in a specific order. That is x square term
X square plus y square
minus 2hx
plus minus 2ky
plus h square
square
plus k square
square minus r
square is equal to 0, right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Now, this equation is compared to the general equation. General equation in second degree general, it is called second degree general equation because the powers are 2. This
Yes,
is
sir.
second degree general equation in x and y, the variables x and y. Or if you want to see the second degree equation in x, y, z, the second degree equation in x, y, z is ax square plus by square plus cz square. It goes like this. It is
Yes.
second degree equation in x, y, z, right? And the second degree equation in x and y is ax square plus by square, something like that. And generally second degree general equation in x only, that is x square, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. It is second degree in x only x, one variable. The second degree in x is, good morning Sriram. Second degree equation in x is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Second degree equation in x and y is ax square plus by square plus something like this. Second degree equation in x and y, xy and z is ax square plus by square plus cz square plus so on, right? Now it is second degree equation in x and y. See, when we compare this second degree equation, this equation with the general equation in x and y, it is ax square. Now we are learning the condition for an equation to be called equation of a circle.
Yes, sir.
Square plus by square
Minus
2gx plus 2gx. It is general equation. Like
Yes.
quadratic general form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0.
Yes.
The general form of a second degree equation in x and y is like this: ax square plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. It is
Yes.
general equation in x and y, right?
Yes, sir.
Of course, xo term is also there. Ax square plus 2hxy. Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. It is general equation in x and y.
Yes, sir.
Right. Compare this equation. Compare our equation with the general equation. Compare our equation to general equation, right?
Yes.
A is equal to 1. Got it? That is x square. It is ax square. When we compare these two equations, we got a is equal to 1.
Yes.
And b is equal to 1.
Yes.
That is a is equal to b is equal to 1, right?
Yes.
What is coefficient of xy? That is here the coefficient of xy is 2h. But in
Yes.
our equation, there is no xy term. Is there any xy term in our equation? In our equation, is there xy term, x into y term?
Yes, sir. 2hxy.
In our equation, it is general equation, not in general equation. In the obtained equation, in the equation obtained by us,
No, sir.
no xy term. Yeah, your class starts at 5:30. It is another class. Sriram, ఇది వేరే క్లాస్ అమ్మా. మీ క్లాసు 5:30 స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఇన్ దట్ క్లాస్ we will be learning integrations. మనం అప్పుడు ఇంటిగ్రేషన్స్ నేర్చుకుంటాం మనం. ఓకేనా? మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ కూడా రమ్మని చెప్పు 5:30 క్లాస్కి. ఓకే, see. What is xy coefficient in our equation? In our equation, there is no xy term. That is 2h is equal to 0, which means h is equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
Okay, these are the main conditions. These are the main conditions for a general equation in x and y to be called an equation of a circle. Sorry, to be called a equation of a circle, right? And
Yes.
one more and interesting, the very essential important condition is what is constant here? C is constant, right?
Yes.
What is a constant in our general equation?
R, sir.
R. So we need to compare these two equations.
Is it R or A, sir? Is it A equals or 0?
All this is general constant terms, right?
Yes. So is it in the our equation, is it R square equals 0, sir?
Where R square?
In
No. R square is equal to 0 means it is a point circle. It is
Sir,
about circle
square
whose
equals A, sir.
R square. Here you want to say in the general equation R square is equal to 0, right?
No, sir, over here. Oh, 1 second. Oh, shoot. There. So here, sir. Is it A or 0?
Sorry, that is 0.
Okay.
You click A 0 because we bring all the terms in right hand side. No, it's one term. Yeah, we bring that R square to left hand side, so it is 0 only. Not A, it is 0.
Yes.
0, right? Now it is time to compare the constant terms. Constant term in our equation is h square plus k square minus r square, okay, is equal to c, right?
Yes.
Now x and c and r square, bring that c to left hand side. It will be h square plus k square minus c is equal to r square, right?
Yes.
What is r? The square root of
H square plus
k
square
square.
minus C.
You know, this equation gives the value of radius, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And if you are asked to draw a circle whose radius is 4 square units, you will draw like this. If you are asked to draw a circle whose radius is 1 unit radius, circle with radius 1 unit is like this, right? And
Yes.
it is not possible to draw a circle with the radius 0 units. Is it possible to draw a circle with radius 0 units?
No, sir.
Can we draw?
No, sir.
Cannot draw a circle with radius 0 units. Okay. But mathematicians imagine that a circle in their minds. And to indicate that circle, they use just a point. This is a circle. This is a circle with radius 0. This is called point circle.
Yes.
This is called point circle. Point circle is a circle with radius 0. Point circle is a circle with radius 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Points, in case of point circle, radius r is equal to 0. Got it?
Yes.
And in general, in reality, it is not possible to draw a circle with radius negative 2 units or negative 1 units or negative something. It's not possible to draw it. But mathematicians imagined that such circles in their minds. Those are called imaginary circles. Such
Yes.
circles cannot be seen anywhere in the universe.
Yes, sir.
It is these circles exist in math students and mathematicians' minds only. That is called imaginary circle.
Yes, sir.
Yes, imaginary circle radius is negative.
Yes, sir.
Radius is negative. If the radius is negative, it is the radius is negative. It is imaginary circle, right?
Yes, sir.
So in reality, r should be 0 or greater than 0.
Yes, sir.
R should be 0 or greater than 0. That means r is greater than or equal to 0. In real circles, in the real world, right?
Yes, sir.
R is equal to root of h square plus k square minus c. That means h square plus k square minus c.
Yes, sir.
Greater than or equal to 0. And now squaring on both sides for this, it is h square plus k square minus c is greater than or equal to 0. So I would like to say the main condition for the circle is h square. Sorry, what is h here? When we compare these two equations, it is minus 2hx. It is 2gx.
Yes, sir.
If compared a to x square coefficient 1, here x square coefficient is equal to a, right? Okay. And now, what is x coefficient? X coefficient is minus 2h. Here x
Yes.
coefficient is 2g.
Yes, sir.
So minus 2hx is compared to 2gx.
Yes, sir.
Xx is cancelled, 2 to cancel. Minus h is equal to g. Okay, that means h is equal to negative g.
Sir, h. Oh, yes, sir.
H is equal to negative g.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, k is equal to negative f. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now, h square plus k square minus c should be greater than or equal to 0, which means g square plus f square minus c. G square plus f square minus c is greater than or equal to 0, right?
Yes, sir.
That's a condition. G square plus f square minus c. It is greater than or equal to 0. So finally, we conclude this discussion. That is, if r ax square, sorry, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 represents represents a circle represents a circle if and only if. That means this condition is used in both ways. The if and only if condition is, that is called by implies. A is equal to b is equal to 1, h is equal to 0, and the main condition g square plus f square minus c is greater than or equal to 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Now in the course of finding conditions for general equation to be called a circle, we know that h is equal to minus g and k is equal to minus f, right? What is its center actually? H comma k.
Comma case.
What is h here? H is equal to minus g.
Minus G, sir.
K is equal to minus F. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, same center means H comma G, H comma K. What is H here? H is equal
Negative.
to G, right?
Yes.
Negative G, negative F.
Negative F.
So if you're asked to find the formula, what is the formula to find the center of a circle? Center of a circle is negative G, negative F.
Yes.
Center of a circle is negative G, negative F, right?
Yes.
And the radius, what is radius here? Root of H square plus K square
But
minus H.
minus C.
That is R is equal to root of H means what? Minus G.
Yes, sir.
Minus G
R
whole
square,
square
G square plus
plus
K
plus
F square
F
minus.
minus C, right? These are the two formulae. The purpose of having this discussion is to find a easy way, okay, to get a easy way to find center and radius. Previously, we used completing the square method to find the center and radius of a given circle, right? Now, out of this discussion, okay, we arrived to a simple formula to find the center and radius. That is written here. So, conclusion of this discussion is, see, it is a discussion, it is a conclusion. General equation of a circle.
Yes, sir.
General equation of a circle. This is called S is, it is denoted by S is equal to 0. Implies H square plus Y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus C is equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
It is general equation of a circle. Okay. Out of our discussion, out of our calculation, center C is equal. Do you remember what is formula to find center? Negative G, negative F.
Yes.
And the radius R.
Root of G square plus F square minus C.
Radius R is equal the square root of G square plus F square minus C.
Yes, sir.
So these are the most used formula. Actually, these formula are used to find the center and radius. That method is rarely used, right? That is called completing the square method, right? So let us solve the same question using this formula here, right? Do you remember that equation? Find the center and radius of the circle x square plus y square minus 3x minus 8y plus 13 is equal to 0, right?
Yes, sir.
So let us take the same equation. Find the center and radius. Find the center and radius of the circle. Yeah. Repeat that circle. X square plus y square.
Y square.
Yeah. What is that equation? Do you remember that?
2gx plus
That
2gx
question. Minus 2x minus 8y plus 13. We are solving the same question in
different. Yes. 2 minus 2x minus 8y.
It is minus 2x. minus 2x. Yeah, tell minus 2x minus 8y
Minus y.
plus 13.
Yes.
Yeah, we should get same answer. Yeah, see, solution. When we compare this equation to the general equation, compare this equation to the general equation, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Compare the given equation to the general equation. What is 2g here? That is 2gx, it is minus 2x. Just compare those two terms. 2gx is equal to minus 2x. Cancel x on both sides. 2g is equal to minus 2, right? Divide both sides by 2. That is g is equal to minus 1. Got it? What is g?
Negative.
Negative 1, right? G is equal to here. G is equal to negative 1. Can you tell what is f?
2.
Compare 2fy to minus 8y. When we compare 2fy to minus 8y, f is equal to
Negative 4.
very
Or,
good. F is equal to negative 4. Negative 4 correct only.
yes.
What is c? C is a constant.
13.
13. Very good. Right. What is formula for center?
Center. Negative g, comma negative.
Negative g comma negative f.
Yes.
Tell what is negative g? G is equal to negative 1. See, g is equal to negative 1. But we need negative g. So to get
Yes.
negative g, multiply both sides by negative.
Yes.
Negative g is equal
1, comma.
very good. 1. See, g is equal to negative 1. So minus g is equal to
1.
1, right? So g is equal to negative 1. So minus g is equal, that is negative g is equal to 1, right?
Yes.
F is equal to negative 4. Then minus f is equal.
4, sir.
That's why center is 1 comma 4. We got same answer. See, answer is 1 comma 4. There we got 1 comma 4. Here also we got 1 comma 4.
Yes, sir.
Next is radius formula. How to find radius?
Root of g square plus f square minus c.
Yeah, its formula. Root of
G square plus f square minus c.
very good. G square means what is g?
Negative 1.
So g square means negative 1 whole square.
1. Yes.
Very good. Plus
Plus
negative 4 whole square.
whole square minus 13.
Minus 13. Very good. Negative 1 whole square is nothing but 1.
1 plus 16 minus 13.
1 plus 16 minus 13. 1 plus 16, 17. 17 minus 13. 4.
4.
Root 4 is
That's
equal to.
2, sir.
So the radius is 2.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Same. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now I am giving a few sums as homework because homework is very important to develop math skills.
Yes, sir.
How many sums do you want me to give?
Okay, sir. How many?
5.
Yes. I mean, it's up to you, sir. I'll solve it.
X square plus y square. Find C and R.
Yes, sir.
Find capital C and small. Capital C means center. Small c means constant in equation, right? X square plus y square minus 6x minus 10y minus 2 is equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 3 is equal to 0.
Yes.
X square plus y square plus 6x plus 8y plus 9 is equal to 0. X square plus y square. Are you copying or taking screenshot?
I'll take screenshots.
Yeah. Or else you may go through that video.
Yes.
Video. And plus 10x plus 20y plus 4 is equal to 0. These are the 4 questions as homework.
Yes, sir.
Don't miss. Try to solve this 4 questions.
Yes, sir.
By the next class.
Yes.
Now let us see the objective questions. What's your idea to solve this question?
If one end of diameter of
one end of the diameter of the circle is 3,4, then the other end of the diameter. As we know, diameter is the double of radius.
Yes, sir.
First of all, from the given equations, as we learned how to find the center and radius of a circle out of a given equation, let us find first center and radius of the circle. To solve the sum, we need to know the center and radius. What is center? So to find center, we need the values of h and k. Sorry, h and k, sorry, g and f. What is g here? You know, do you remember? We found g by taking g is nothing but the half of x coefficient. What is g in this equation? -1, right?
Yes, sir.
We can write the value of g directly. G is nothing but half of x coefficient. What is x coefficient here? -2.
Yes, sir.
X coefficient is -2. So g is half of -2, that is -1. What is y coefficient? What is y coefficient?
1.
Here, what y coefficient? Y coefficient is -8.
Oh, yes, sir.
Half of it is -4. So let me repeat. G is half of x coefficient. F is half of y coefficient. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So what is g here? To find g, find half of x coefficient.
Yes, sir.
What is half of x coefficient?
1. Sorry, -2. -2, sir.
Very good. G is equal to -2. F is equal
-3, sir.
very good. Small c is equal
11, sir.
11. Let us write small r. Sorry, center. What is center? Center formula -g, -f.
2,3, sir.
2,3, right? What is formula to find radius? Radius formula?
Root of g square plus f square minus c.
G square plus f square minus c. G square means +4, +9, -11.
Yes, sir.
4 plus 9, 13.
Yes, sir.
13 minus 11, 2.
2.
So radius is √2.
Yes, sir.
See, I think radius is not necessary. In this sum, radius is not necessary. Of course,
Yes, sir.
we
It's
must.
the other.
Right. See, it is the circle. Center of the circle is 2,3. One end is 2. Sorry. Yeah, center is 2,3. And given one end of a diameter is 3,
8. No, sir.
Is diameter. One.
Sir, do use the midpoint formula?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
It is a 3, 4. It is one end. To find another end, let us take that another end as x, y or something like that. H, k or alpha, beta. Better to take the less other end is alpha, beta, right?
Yes.
Now midpoint of AB is equal to C, right? Midpoint of AB is equal to C. What's midpoint of AB? Alpha plus midpoint formula. Do you remember in midpoint formula?
3/2 equals 3.
Comma.
Yes, sir.
Beta plus 4/2.
Beta. Yes, sir.
Is equal to C means 2, 3. Compare.
Sir, 4, no, sir.
No, center. Midpoint
Yes.
is center. Center 2, 3.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
See, alpha plus 3/2 is equal to 2. Cross multiplication, alpha plus 3 is equal to 4.
4. Alpha equals 1.
Right, alpha is equal to 1. So center is 1, comma. Right? So
Yes,
it
sir.
can be option B or option C or option D.
Yes, sir.
Option A is wrong. Now, let us take the second point. Beta plus 4/2 is equal to 3.
Beta plus 4 equals beta equals 2, sir.
So,
Option C.
which option is correct option?
Option C, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Touching y-axis. Yeah. Can you answer this question? Find R using the same formula we obtained.
So G is -3.
Try to do it on the screen.
Yes, sir.
G 3 to 3.
G equals negative. F equals -4.
Small c is equal.
C equals -0. I mean 0. C square plus F square. Okay. So is it option B 10?
Option
B.
very good. Radius is 10. Diameter option D. Option D 20.
Radius is 5 and
Oh,
D is-
radius is 5 only. Okay. Then option B correct. Option B 10 correct. Diameter is double of radius. You know, this question came in exam 2020. 2020 September 6th. MSET exam was conducted. Entrance, that is engineering entrance. In engineering entrance, this question was given in that exam.
Yes, sir.
Right. Yeah, try this equation as homework. Take
Yes, sir.
this. Totally, you need to solve 5 questions as homework.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the class integration is going on. I found at last I found one solution to start class in time. That is
yes.
getting a manual
Clock?
alarm clock. Yeah, it awakes exactly the same time because in this device, phone or Google Nest, The sound is very smooth, smooth sound. If we are in deep sleep, we can't hear it.
Yes, sir.
And the next option is I requesting you to make a ring. Sometimes
Yes, sir.
that idea fails because I forgot to kept that phone in not silent mode. In that,
Yes.
the second idea is also fails.
Yes, sir.
Every time I go to class, I keep my phone in silent mode to avoid
Yes.
disturbance. And it is also strict rule also.
Okay.
So after returning from college, I need to take off that option, take off that silent mode. But
Yes.
many times I forget to take off the silent mode. That's why I missed your call. I couldn't hear your call.
Yes.
So the best option is to get a manual alarm.
Yes, sir.
There is no chance to miss a class. Okay, try this 5 sums as homework.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if you have time, you may join anytime. That is 5:30 class.
Yes.
It's about integrations, right?
Yes.
Thank you, Tanika. See you in the next class. Yeah, we need to cover some classes. Which one is preferable to you? Evening time?
Say evening time, sir.
7, not today. Yeah, let me know when you are free. That means
Yes.
morning. Evening to me means morning to you.
Yes, sir. I'll try, sir.
Okay, right.
Yes.
We have holiday.
So from now I don't have holidays.
You need not go to school.
I mean, I don't have holidays, sir. Every day is school
Every
day.
day is working day. Even on Saturday.
I mean, Saturday and Sunday we don't have, sir, but the other is.
Thank you, Tanika. Good night.